Hey, welcome back to another video, and it's been a while I have posted anything on YouTube, and this is my Twitter extension that I have built yesterday. So it will do something. I'll show you later on. Okay, so now manual as a TLDR, and this video will be good, so follow this video along. And first of all, make sure you have Git, okay, in your Windows. If not, install it, okay. And on Linux you can sudo apt-it or sudo dnf-it, sudo pacman-it. You can do anything based on your package manager. Search it on Google and install Git, then open up your terminal and type this on this thing, and paste it on your terminal. Then go to that particular folder. There will be a folder called Twitter dash extension. Go to that folder and remove that .git folder, okay. You can do it by CLI or GUI, and then go to your Chrome extensions, okay. Make sure you have turned on the developer mode. If you haven't, search it on Google how to turn it on. So then load on packed, you go to extension, select that folder, it's loaded. Twitter here, and now you have successfully loaded it. Then go to this thing, pin it, okay. You pinned it. Now I want to remove this trending section and this home page, so select on it, okay. Refresh this, and after 5 seconds it will be gone. Sorry, it hasn't. Refresh it again. Okay, it's gone. It's gone here. You can see it's gone. And if you go to this profile here, and again it's gone, okay. You can go to any of the profile. You can go to, let's say, this profile here, and it's gone. Pretty good. Go to notifications, and it's gone. Pretty good. And go to this profile, okay, it's gone. That's good. And then turn on this, okay. Refresh it few times, okay. It's been taking a while. It's gone. In the explore section we have videos here. No, oh wait, I would recommend to explore it. Refresh it again, and it's gone here, okay. Either the fact here that I am been checking that you have to refresh it twice, and it will be done, okay. So I want to remove only videos. Okay, refresh it, again refresh it, this will be there. It's not. Okay, so the fact that I have seen, you have to refresh it twice, and it will not happen refreshing twice. You have to toggle it twice. Okay, then it will be gone. Okay, and it's gone here. It's there. Okay, it's there. I have to turn all the distractions off. Okay, all the videos and all the trending sections off. Refresh it. Go again, do it twice, I guess. So now it will be good. It's gone, and it's gone. That's pretty good. So that's pretty much about it. What you have to do, there is no bug such, like there is some interaction problems over here, I guess. So you have to toggle it twice. First refresh it, then toggle it, then again refresh it, then again toggle it, and it will be done. Okay, so there is no there is no changes in states here, because it's been stored in the Chrome storage, so it's okay. So that's about this extension. Bye, thank you.